Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of April the 10th to the 16th, and we are like coasting right into full Easter. So if you need to fill up those little Easter baskets, this is definitely the video for you because we have some cheap candy and some great magic in this one. First thing we're going to talk about though is check your digital coupons folder. It should be at the very top. A booster. This is a 5 back when you spend 20. I only got one on one of my store cards. I didn't get it on both. So a couple rules for this guy because we absolutely love rules. It's from that window of the 10th to the 16th. It is of a one-time use. If you get a paper one that comes out of the Catalina machine, yes, you can stack one digital and one paper. It is okay to use manufacturer coupons or manufacturer register rewards with this booster. For the balance, use your debit card, credit card, or physical bills to pay down the balance. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards or it will mess everything up. Okay, so right off the cuff, I'm going to say this is the paper deal of the week. Scott toilet paper or paper towel is $5. We have a $1.25 IVC found in the Big Book of Savings, or alternatively, you can load it digitally, and I think you can see where this is going. So grabbing, say, one Scott toilet paper for $5, subtracting that IVC, you're paying $3.75. If you're buying this guy on its own and without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. And let's not forget to snap a quick photo to the Fetch Rewards app, because they have this big progressive one right up until the end of April to spend 50, get back $15. OMG. So if you've been kind of reticent and you're like, I don't want to sign up for this app, I don't want more stuff on my phone, this is one you absolutely should sign up for and look at the bingo chart of items that are qualifying for this. Like, wow. So check it out, guys. And especially if you're a new sign up, check out the link in the notes. Use my referral code. When you scan your first receipt, a pack of gum or an Egg McMuffin you bought last week, you're given $2 extra. This is the app that's always giving. So this is tremendous. I'm excited to buy more paper products at Walgreens on the cheap and get $15. Okay, so the first couple deals that we're looking at are deals of the week. So if you want to do both of them, you have to do them in separate transactions. This is kind of weird. You have like the $3 toothpaste and $2.99 to $7.99, but it's on the same promotion for these dental care products. Who knows what is in fact included, but we're going to try and make something work. Obviously, we have this coupon still, so if you could not track down that dental floss, we can absolutely utilize the 6 off of 3. And IBOTTA still has this little quarter rebate for a Crest Pro Health. So if you're grabbing one of those tubes, definitely get your quarter back. Grabbing 3 tubes of the toothpaste for $8.97, subtracting that 6 off of 3 digital. Maybe we'll have other high-value digital coupons on Sunday morning. We do not know. But utilizing this, you'll pay $2.97, and we're looking at products that are $2.99 as well. You're getting back a $5 register reward. Submit that quarter to IBOTTA, making this free, plus a $2.28 moneymaker. If you're doing this deal on its own without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to get your $5 register reward. And for all of the parents out there, this is an alternative deal. 2 for $20, so we're going to grab 3 for $30, and it's on that same promotion. So if you're going to do Crest in this, make 2 transactions so you can get that $5 reward twice. Grabbing 3 bags of the Pampers, that's $30 on the nose, subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital, plus I would throw in $20 of Walgreens cash. Spend it for these diapers. Why not? Pay $7 out of pocket and get back a $5 register reward. And again, if you're not using a booster with this, yes, you can use the Walgreens cash to earn the register reward. Now a little special treat to fill up those Easter baskets. In the candy section, this is like a theater size licorice. 3 for $4. In the olden days, it used to be 4 for $4, but they have changed this, but I didn't even notice. Over on IBOTTA, double, triple check that you have the same rebate as 75 cents back, and there's no size restriction on this. So grabbing 3 of these for $4, you'll pay that 4 out of pocket, and then make that 75-cent submission 3 times to IBOTTA. They do it automatically for you, so that's $2.25 back. It makes it $1.75 for the 3 or 58 cents per pack. An excellent filler for an Easter basket. If you're doing this deal on its own, like say without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay this down. Back to another toothpaste deal because we're kind of boring this morning. Grabbing 2 of these, we have a $1 digital coupon. I would love to see a higher value one. $4 register reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of them for $5.98, subtracting that dollar digital, you're paying $4.98, getting back a $4 register reward, making it 98 cents for the 2. If you're doing this deal on its own, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, like not using a booster. That's totally fine. But with this too, Crest is a much better deal, but if we have a higher value coupon for this, it might be a good deal. So just keep this one on the back burner. Okay, so now we have the Got2b products for $5.99, 25% off. And if you go over to your IBOTTA account, there's a $1.50 rebate for any Got2b hairstyling products. So definitely scan in the store to make sure it's attaching to IBOTTA. Grabbing one product, reduced down to $4.50 with the 25% off. Pay that $1.50 submission to IBOTTA. It makes it $3. And if you're doing this deal on its own, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. If you're doing it without a booster, absolutely go for it. This deal, not so great, but if you love the Garnier Fructis, it might be a deal for you. 2 for $7, and we have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. So 2 for $7, subtracting that 4 off of 2, you're paying $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per shampoo. And again, you're not using a booster with this. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash, perfectly fine. They also have a little stipulation in this to spend $20, get back a $5 register reward. That $5 register reward is a specific one where it's like $5 off a box of hair dye. So it's kind of misleading right there. So I would just buy the shampoo on its own. Now, I did do that deal earlier in the month where I got that stupid $5, off of any hair dye. And if you don't use hair dye, but I'm going to grab one of these because I don't want that coupon to go to waste. No, sir. $7.99. We have a $2 digital coupon, dropping it down to $5.99. Throw in that $5 store coupon for hair dye. You're paying 99 cents for the box. It's just an easy flip because I think most hair dyes there are really expensive. So this is the cheapest of the cheap. If you love all things hair and beauty, check out the video I made 2 days ago where you can get all of these items for like $3 and some change over at Ulta. I know it's not one of the pharmacies that we frequent, but OMG, this is a really hot deal. If you have these rebates on your Shopkick account, it's reset for me now twice. So I do have the matching set of shampoo and conditioner and all this loveliness. I mean, I think it's just an Easter basket for if you love beauty products. But yeah, this is one I would absolutely do. It's much more fire than what's at Walgreens for these little hair deals this week. Back to the shaving cream, we either have the Skintimate or the Edge Shave Gel for the ladies or the men. You buy 3 of these, you get back a $3 in Walgreens cash, plus we have a $1 digital coupon. So grabbing 3 of the Skintimates for $8.97, subtracting that $1 digital, you're paying $7.97 out of pocket, getting back $3 in Walgreens cash, making it $4.97 for the 3 or $1.65 per. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're not using this in concert with a booster, just to note that. And I'm wondering if we're going to get $1 off the Skintimate and $1 off the Edge. It would be an extra $1 of savings. We will have to see that on Sunday morning. Okay, the next deal that we have is 3 for $9.99 for the 7-Up. Now, this is one where you're really gonna have to pay attention because it is a really great deal, especially if you're entertaining a lot of people and you need a ton of beverages for Easter. Who doesn't love 7-Up? The simple 7-Up. This is made with old-fashioned, honest ingredients. It's like a soda with few ingredients. On IBOTTA, there's a $1.50 back that you can do up to 5 times. Grabbing 3 of the 7-Up Simple. It has to be that one, the 12-pack. $9.99. Make that submission to IBOTTA. 3 times, you're getting back $4.50. It is the simple line only. It makes it $5.49 for the 3 or $1.83 per pack. And if you're doing this deal on its own without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. That works perfectly. Okay, these next 2 deals, if you would like to use a little bit of Walgreens cash or register reward, I think they're smart deals, especially if you're a newer couponer or if you just want to stockpile some meat and potatoes items. This stuff does not go bad. Like this or $4 in Walgreens cash, it is your choice, but I mean, I would say to do it because it's such a great deal. I don't know. So grabbing 5 of these Dons at 99 cents, that's $4.95. Use a $4 register reward or alternatively $4 in Walgreens cash. Pay 95 cents. I mean, that's a really good stock up price. And again, we're doing this without a booster. We're just buying it on its own. An alternative deal is this, the Glad Cling Wrap. Do you see that it says 200 square feet? That is that massive box. This is a birthday and Christmas gift right here because usually these are like upwards of $4 or $5, probably $18 with everything going on in the world. I would grab 2 of those for $4. Use $4 in Walgreens cash or register reward and pay down the tax. And again, we're doing this without a booster, so that's fine. But if it is the 200 square foot cling wrap, if you know anything about shopping, you know that is a deal. So be on the lookout for that on Sunday. Now let's talk about the Bic deal, $5.99, and we have a $4 digital coupon. I'm going to give you a visual of that. Okay, here is your $4 digital coupon. As you can see, it's valid till the end of the month. If you sneak over to your IBOTTA account, there's a 3-back when you buy 2 of these fancy razors. Plus, we're going to need 1 insert coupon. We're going to look at it 2 different ways. Grabbing 2 of these razors, that's $11.98, subtracting that $4 digital, and then 1 $4 coupon from the Smart Source of April the 3rd. Pay $3.98 out of pocket, get $3 back from IBOTTA, making it 98 cents for the 2. If you do not have that second $4 coupon from that insert, it'll be $4.98 for the 2. And as you're doing this deal without any boosters, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. So in rapid fire, we're just going to look at some deals with digital coupons. The first one is $4.49 for this Tide with the dollar digital. Like something a little more fancier, $5.99 for the Persil. We have a $2 digital, so it's dropping this guy down to $3.99. For all of these, if you want to use Walgreens cash or register rewards, go for it. And then Purex for $3.49, we have a $1 digital, so it drops it down to $2.49. Okay, let's talk about some quick honorable mentions. The first one that we have is with IBOTTA. This is one product I've never seen in a store. It's called Stem Pest Control. I know we had a buy one, get one free coupon. I don't know if it's still valid or not. But IBOTTA has a buy one, get one free as well. So do they have like this next to the Raid? I have not seen it. Also, be on the lookout for possible deals from me with the number 7. It's on a buy one, get one 50% off for this week. I know we have a lot of very high value digital coupons. So there might be a run deal for this on Sunday morning. Just brace yourself if I can create a deal and get creative. Okay, buy 2 of these gift cards at $50 a pop, so $100, and then you'll get a free $10 Walgreens gift card. See the one with the logo on it, the big W? That's what we're looking for because it's goofy. Sometimes it just does not work. But if you're filling up some Easter baskets, this is a way to get something for you. And then we have 2 for $6 with the Chips Ahoy, and then 3 for $4 for the Pringles. That is a really, really good price point. Some snacks for Easter. And then every little fixings and bibs and bobs for those Easter baskets, go to Walgreens, use some Walgreens cash or register rewards to fill up those baskets on the cheap. Also, we have BOGO free on the eggs. That's really nice. And then 2 for $10 for the Oscar Mayer bacon. Oscar Mayer is part of Fetch Rewards. Photograph that receipt for Boku points. The final deal is 3 for $10.99 for the Pepsi and then 3 for $11.99 for the Coca-Cola. If you're entertaining for Easter, these are solid prices. As always, guys, thanks for watching and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.